Hey guys, I am back with the very final UberChic Beauty Advent Calendar style release, and so this plate releases June 14th, which so it should be, if you're watching this video as it debuts, it should be June 14th. Let's see what we have here to play around with. Rip, tear, shred. Oh, that feels so good. I'm usually like so precise and so, like careful with opening my stuff. Alright, this is warm-blooded. So we had the cold-blooded plate already, but this is the warm-blooded, and it's got all of the non-cold-blooded animal skins. So let me take this film off. Alright, let's take a look here. I'm going to scroll quickly, but this has just about everything. It's got like elephant skin, it's got zebra skins, it's got cheetahs and tigers and rhinoceroses, and all kinds of skins from things I don't even know what they are. Giraffes down here, and I don't think they're meant to be layered, but boy, you could layer and you could play around with that and get some cool geometric kind of effects too. And then some faces to go along, so you could do like a face on top of one and just the striping or whatever on the rest of them. These definitely have a fur effect. So kind of, I guess it would depend on the colors that you do. So that's the other thing, play around with colors with these. I love watching when people combine fluorescence to do animal prints, or pastels to do animal prints. I love this for, I mean, obviously it's really cool skin for like rhino skin or elephant skin, but how cool would that be just for texture on some other kind of mani that you wanted to do, if you want to have other images stamped over it. So play around with all of these as well. Even if you're not an animal print person per se, there's a lot of stuff here you can do with these just texturally. You're probably not going to get this plate if you're not an animal print person, but like if you do, if somebody gives it to you, or if you're looking for kind of fun, cool textures, definitely play around with those as well. And oh, I love kitties. I love kitties of all forms. All right, let's go do some sample looks with this. All right, so let's take a look at the looks here. So I wanted to do an elephant look, and I wanted to show you on this one, look at how great that texture is. I mean, it's almost like a marbled effect. It's sort of like a webbing effect. It could be cool for even for something for Halloween, but just cool texture behind anything. So I wanted to make sure that you could see that underneath the elephant face. So this is a base of Zoya Charlie, and then I stamped with Moonflower Polish Moonflower, and then on top with Kaleidoscope Black to do that elephant head, Kaleidoscope Black. This, I love how this came out. I think this one is gorgeous. So I started with a base of Girly Bits Irreplaceable, and then I sponged around a little with Zoya Kira, which is this gorgeous kind of shimmery brown, and with Zoya, which one was it? Zoya Gina. Zoya Gina is right around the edges. It's that darker brown there. And then I just stamped with that Kaleidoscope Black to get that cheetah face. I took advantage of the length of this to do a cheetah jumping across the bottom. If I were doing this just on my hands, I would just get that cheetah face there. I think that that's really cool and just really bold. Love it. But my favorite of the looks that I did with this one is this fun cheetah, and I'm trying to see if I can get the hollow in there for you. So I did this with Girly Bits Brick House, which is a pinky coral, gorgeous holographic scattered polish, and I wanted the cheetah to really pop off of that. There we go. I think that is a good sight. So then I stamped in orange over it with It Girl Nail Art Mimosa, and I just love how that orange brings out the coral to Brick House, and of course the shimmer of the hollow, if you guys can see it. Let me try to move it around a little bit there for you. When I look at animal prints, I think I love doing fun things like this that really mix up the different colors. It's really cool to do something like that cheetah face, I think, where you can get something realistic, but I love being able to have total fun with it too, especially right now in summer. I think looks like this are really gorgeous. And that is it for the new UberChic reveals this week. Thank you guys for bearing with me as I've been trying to figure out how to get my new camera to work, since my other one died cruelly without my permission. So hopefully I'm getting the hang of this, and I appreciate you guys watching. So take care, and I hope that you found something in these plates that you like. All right, see you soon.